Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to set Telegram to auto lock after 5 minutes, so your chats stay private even if you forget to lock your phone. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look to the top corner and tap the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines. This will open up Telegram's main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your app, including privacy and security features. Now scroll down a little until you see Passcode Lock. Tap on it. If you already have a passcode set, you'll be asked to enter it here. Go ahead and enter your passcode to continue. Once you're inside the Passcode Lock settings, look for the option labeled Auto Lock. Tap on that. You'll now see several time options for how quickly Telegram should lock itself when you're not using it. To keep things secure without being too restrictive, select 5 minutes. And that's it. From now on, if you leave Telegram inactive for 5 minutes, it will automatically lock and require your passcode to open again. This is a simple but powerful way to protect your messages, especially if you often leave your phone unattended or share it with others. If you ever want to change the timing, you can come back to the same auto lock setting and choose a different duration that works better for you. That's all for this guide. You're now set up with better privacy in just a few taps.